What is insurance and why have it? Life's full of surprises. Your friend suddenly has a spare ticket to see your favorite band. That couple whom you think will never get engaged actually do. And John finally buys a round of drinks. But what if life's little surprises aren't so great, or something far more serious? The purpose of insurance is to protect people from uncertainty of the future, when things don't go to plan, or when we need support for our life projects. And finally, to give us peace of mind for whatever's around the corner. Here's an example. Paul and Dave are neighbors. Paul decided to buy insurance to cover his home and its contents, but Dave bought the latest games console instead. A few months later, a freak rainstorm hit, and both Paul's and Dave's houses were flooded. Everything downstairs was ruined, including Dave's games console. While Dave worried about how he was going to repair his house and replace his possessions, Paul simply called his insurance company and submitted a claim. They assessed the damage, calculated the value of the claim, and arranged payment to Paul. He could then afford to redecorate his house and replace his ruined possessions. Here's another example. Tom's goal was to one day own his dream car, but his salary meant this dream would never be a reality. Tom didn't want to take risks on the stock market, so instead he purchased a life insurance policy with survival benefits. The policy was set up over a specific number of years and was guaranteed to pay out an agreed amount at the end of the policy term, as long as he was still alive. Tom simply paid the same premium each month, and at the end of the policy term, it paid out. Tom was soon driving around in his dream car. We hope you enjoyed this video. To find out more about how to buy the right insurance for you, visit generali.com today.